Zendrop Tutorial 2021. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you everything you need to know about Zendrop, basically how you can use this software to sell your products from Shopify and how you can use it to start your own dropshipping business as well. So without wasting any more of your time, let's just jump into the video. So the first thing that I want you guys to do is come over to zendrop.com. Now once you're over here, this is how the website will look like. As you can see, it is a pretty amazing looking website, and all that is left for you to do is just simply sign up for free. As I said, it is completely free, and another great thing that is, as it says over here, that it does not require any credit card, and it is trusted over 145,000 users as well. So what are you guys waiting for? Just simply sign up. But before I go over to the sign up button, let me just show you a little bit about this website so that you can get an idea of how it basically works. So if we scroll down over here, we can see that why Zendrop. Basically, why would you want to use Zendrop? Well, it's simple, because they have the fastest shipping that is available on any other platform. It takes them 2 to 3 days to deliver their products to their customers, and which in my opinion is one of the best features that they have, is the automated fulfillment. Now, what does that mean? Basically, if you want to fill out orders, it takes quite a lot of time, and if you are running a business, you will have quite a lot of numbers of fulfillment orders. So what the automated fulfillment does is that it automatically fills out all the orders that you need, so you don't have to waste any more of your time on this trivial matter. And it is highly advanced, so you don't have to worry about it making any mistakes. It is super legit, guys. And they also have 24/7 support. So basically, if you run into trouble and you want to contact them, they will respond immediately. So they have a pretty solid support team, and they have US fulfillment as well. So you can ship anywhere from the US warehouses and their trusted suppliers within 2 to 8 days to your end customers. You also have real-time analytics. So basically what that means is that you will have a real-time data of how your business is performing. Basically, you can see all of the products are selling, which products are selling best and which products aren't selling the least. So you can capitalize on that. You can figure out how you can change that however you can, because you will have all of the real-time data so that you aren't behind on something and you don't make a mistake. And then you also have custom branding as well. So basically what you can do is you can customize your winning products to set yourself apart from the competition, and you can private label and custom package them on any product in your catalog. Basically what that means is that if you want to start your own dropshipping business with your own products, then they also provide that service as well. All you have to do is just give them your logo and your name, and then just simply leave the rest to Zendrop. They will do everything for you. And another interesting feature that they have is this one over here, which is called subscription boxes. Now what that basically means is that you can take advantage of your recurring revenue model by creating a subscription box with a few easy clicks. Basically what that means is that you could create a subscription box for your customers on a monthly basis. So if someone subscribes to that, you just have to send them a package every single month, which would include all the products that you have selected for them. And if you scroll down below, we can see how it basically works. So all you have to do is just simply link your Shopify account to Zendrop, and all you have to do is just select the products, send out a fulfillment order, and then just ship them to your customer. And I think that is pretty easy, guys. So if you scroll down below, we can see how we can do that. So first up is find products. Now there are a number of ways to do that. Basically straightforward pricing on all products. Import any product you want to sell, and if you can't find a product that you're looking for, import it from AliExpress in just one click. Override product information from your old supplier to switch fulfillment over to Zendrop with ease. You can also ship from the US or China as well. And then you have automatic order fulfillment. Just simply turn on this auto fulfillment and your settings, and instantly fill your customers' orders without even pressing a button. And then you can turn on daily fulfillments to a batch all of your customers on a daily basis, or you can just simply fulfill once per day. And then you have order data and tracking information, which is automatically sent back to your online store to update your customers when their order are arriving. And then, as I said before, you have fast shipping. You can utilize express shipping from the fastest shipping times available from China. Use their warehouses to ship orders to their customers within 2 to 5 days in the US, and easily track your customers' orders in a real-time manner. So, which I think is pretty cool, guys. So if you scroll down below, we have some packages as well. So let me just tell you guys a little bit about them. So as you can see, we have three packages over here. We have the free pack, we have the pro pack, and then we have the select pack. Now, each of them are billed, and you also have the option of billing them monthly or billing them yearly. Depending upon your choice, the prices may differ. So if I switch to billing them yearly, as you can see, I still have to pay zero for the free pack, but for the pro pack, I have to pay $499 per year. And for the select pack, or the enterprise one, we have to pay $3,989 every single year. So let me just switch back to monthly because the prices are more suitable. So in the free package, you have 50 orders per month. Now that does seem pretty low, but if you look at over here in the pro version, you get unlimited orders, but you also have to pay $49. So what I would suggest is just simply use it for the free version for now. If you're really on a tight budget, then simply use the free budget for now, earn some money from your orders, and then if you can see that if your orders are filling up quicker and then you need more than 50 slots for your orders, then you can just simply upgrade your package and that will be it. So which I think is pretty cool. And then you have unlimited product imports, affiliate programs, package tracking, analytics dashboard, and 24/7 email support as well. And then for the pro pack, you have to pay a $49 a month fee, which I think is reasonable considering you'll be making quite a lot of money. And then for this one, you have unlimited orders per month, which I already told you guys. And on top of all the other perks that you get from the free plan, you get unlimited product sourcing, you get 500k US products, you also get automated fulfillment, and you have bulk fulfillment, custom branding, dispute management, express shipping, Zendrop Academy, product bundles, and subscription boxes as well. Now the most important one in my opinion that I find is this one over here, which is called dispute management. Now what does that basically mean? Well, basically, it means that if you send out a order to a customer and they report they have received the wrong package, but your data says that you have sent the right package, you didn't make a mistake, then you will have a dispute with the customer whether or not you should give them a refund, and then Zendrop will step in and they will take a look at all the evidence that both sides provides, and then they will basically judge which one is in the right and then just take their side. Basically, it'll be like a trial version in a court or something. So which I think is pretty cool because a lot of businesses suffer from this if they don't have this one, and a lot of customers suffer from this as well, because if some accidentally they do get a wrong order, then they can't really get a refund. A lot of websites don't offer that, although in 2021 I think almost every website does provide a refund, but there are a couple of sites that don't provide that. So I do think that having the dispute management option perk is pretty cool. So now let's just go over to the sign up process and just simply sign up. So click on the sign up button over here, and all you have to do is just enter in a small detail such as your name, your last name, your email address and password, and then just accept their terms and conditions and just simply sign up. So I'm going to go ahead and sign up on Zendrop, and I will catch you guys in a little bit. And now, as you can see, once you have signed up, they're going to ask you to enter in your Shopify store URL so that they can connect your account with Zendrop. So all you have to do is just simply paste this Shopify URL over here and then just simply click on connect. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'm over here at Shopify, and now I'm going to go ahead and sign up onto their store, and they are giving a 14-day free trial, and they also don't accept any credit cards, which I think is pretty cool as well. So I'm going to go ahead and start my free trial, and I'm going to see you guys in a little bit. So as you can see, this is my Shopify store, and as you can see, everything is empty because this is a brand new account. I don't have any orders, I don't have any products or apps or anything like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and simply copy my URL over here, and I'm going to paste it over onto Zendrop and connect my account. So I'm going to copy this one and I'm going to paste that over here, and I'm going to click on connect, and it should connect right now. So as you can see, this is how it's done. It's installed now. It's basically asking us if we want to install the app. So basically we have to install Zendrop on our Shopify account so that it is connected to Zendrop. So just simply click on install app and wait a couple of seconds for the applications to be installed on. And once you go over to your Shopify account and within those apps, you will see that you will have free. So now they're asking me what type of plan I want to select. So I'm going to go with the free version, and as you can see over here, I think it's pretty much it's done right now. So these are the products that are available on Zendrop. So all you have to do is just simply import this product, and then your products will be added over here in the product section, and then you will be able to sell these products on Shopify and then whenever someone makes an order, Zendrop will be the one that is shipping them these products as well. So that is it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notification, guys. And if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections down below, and I will be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys at the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.